Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to edit a text file on a USB on a Mac computer on terminal using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a text file stored on a USB, and then access that on terminal using terminal commands to edit the text file. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer. If you are using USB Type-C, you will need an adapter. That's in. Let's open up the Kingston USB just to make sure the file that we are looking to work with is in the folder itself. And yes, it is work.txt. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt terminal. Open that up, click on enter. Increase the size of the terminal window. Also increase the text size on screen. Command plus a couple of times. So let's now clear all the contents on screen and now work our way towards the Kingston USB, the text file that's stored in there. So CD, desktop, CD volume, Kingston, semicolon, ls-l, to list all the contents within the Kingston USB flash drive. And now to view the contents as we did in the previous tutorial, it's the same command as cat w tab enter, and that's what we are working with. So to now edit the content within that text file, let's just add the command nano w tab enter, and there we have the text file ready to be edited within the terminal. Ideally, we could have opened up the USB, click on the text file, open that up in text editor, but what we are doing now is complex and very professional. So back to the tutorial. Dash how to become a YouTube partner. To now save this, let's just exit, Control X, Y, enter. Let's now cat on screen again. Wait for that to load. And there we go. The edit has now been added to the text file itself. So we can now clear everything on screen. Change directory. ls-l. So we are back where we started. Clear everything on screen. Let's now quit terminal. Right click the Kingston USB and eject Kingston. Wait for that to load. This has now been ejected. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.